It was clear from the number of people exercising and jogging by the River Seine in Paris that people were making the most of being allowed outside. The government's imposed a third lockdown on the city and 15 regions, but this time people aren't required to stay indoors all day.
We have to work all week, so thankfully we can go outside. It's a necessity. It helps morale to be able to share some good moments.
We need to adapt again, which will be painful in the days to come, but we have to get on with it and hope it gets better.
In other parts of Paris, a more familiar lockdown sight. Quiet streets, closed shops and businesses, although schools and essential stores can stay open.
Shopkeepers and small business owners are at the point of exhaustion after more than a year of yellow vests, strikes, now 3 lockdowns in some regions. It's too much.
COVID cases are rising in France with almost 40,000 new infections a day. Intensive care units in Paris hospitals are full, so some patients are being transferred elsewhere. French government says that parts of France are battling a third wave. They hope that the regional restrictions will help avoid another national lockdown by helping to stop the spread of the virus and winning time for more people to be vaccinated. On Friday, the French Prime Minister Jean Castex received an AstraZeneca jab, an attempt to convince the public of its safety after months of negative publicity and a temporary suspension. Vaccine scepticism is high in France, but at this immunisation centre, the queues were long.
I'm fine with the AstraZeneca, but it's normal that some people are worried because of the recent events. But I think confidence will return in the coming weeks.
For some doctors, the restrictions aren't tight enough. But French President Emmanuel Macron says the economy and people's mental health must also be considered. For now, the new lockdown is set to last 1 month. However, many people suspect it could run much longer. Natacha, Butler, Jazeera, Paris.